Welcome back to Next Wave AI. Today we're delving deep into one of the most transformative forces of our era, artificial intelligence and its profound impact on the job market. Picture this, AI isn't just reshaping industries, it's creating entirely new career paths, redefining existing roles, and challenging our very perception of work. Whether you're an aspiring professional or just curious about the future, this video will offer you a comprehensive look at how AI is changing the workforce landscape. Buckle up as we explore cutting-edge advancements in AI and what they mean for your career prospects. Let's kick things off with a vivid glimpse into how AI is currently influencing various industries. Imagine walking into a high-tech manufacturing plant where robots equipped with AI are performing tasks that were once labor-intensive. These aren't just any robots, they're smart, adaptive, and capable of learning from their environment. They optimize production lines, reduce human error, and improve quality control. The result? A seamless blend of efficiency and innovation that's driving down costs and boosting productivity. This rapid advancement in automation is revolutionizing manufacturing, but how does it influence traditional job roles? Transitioning from manufacturing to healthcare, let's envision an AI-driven hospital. Picture AI systems analyzing thousands of medical images, from X-rays to MRIs, with precision that surpasses human capabilities. These tools can detect subtle patterns and anomalies that might go unnoticed by even the most experienced radiologists. This means earlier diagnoses, more personalized treatment plans, and ultimately better patient outcomes. How will these AI advancements transform healthcare roles and patient care? Next, let's dive into the world of finance. Imagine an AI algorithm in action, sifting through massive data sets to identify market trends and execute trades in milliseconds. These systems not only enhance investment strategies, but also provide insights that prevent fraudulent activities. The speed and accuracy of AI in finance are game changers, but they also raise questions about the future of financial analysts and traders. What new opportunities and challenges will arise as AI continues to evolve in this sector? Now, let's tackle a critical topic: automation and its impact on job displacement. Automation is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and its effects on various job sectors are both exciting and concerning. Imagine a retail store where AI-powered checkout systems handle transactions effortlessly. These systems streamline the payment process and reduce wait times, but they also raise questions about the future of cashier roles. As these systems become more prevalent, how will traditional retail jobs evolve? Consider the logistics industry, where automation is revolutionizing warehouse operations. Robots manage inventory, sort packages, and prepare orders for shipment with impressive efficiency. While this leads to significant operational improvements, it also means fewer manual labor positions. Imagine the challenges faced by workers who have relied on these jobs for years. What strategies can they employ to adapt to the shifting landscape and find new opportunities? Despite the potential for job displacement, automation also creates new career paths. Roles such as AI specialists, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts are in high demand. As routine tasks become automated, professionals in these fields are essential for driving innovation and ensuring system security. Picture yourself working as an AI engineer, developing groundbreaking algorithms that push technological boundaries. Or imagine being a data scientist, analyzing complex datasets to provide strategic insights. These emerging roles offer exciting career prospects, but require new skills and expertise. How can workers prepare for these evolving opportunities? Let's shift our focus to the promising new opportunities created by AI. As routine tasks become automated, new job roles are emerging that didn't exist a decade ago. Imagine stepping into a role as an AI engineer, designing algorithms that drive advancements across industries. This field is expanding rapidly, offering exciting prospects for those passionate about technology and innovation. How will you position yourself to take advantage of these opportunities? Cybersecurity is another rapidly growing field due to the rise of AI. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, protecting these systems from cyber threats is crucial. Imagine being a cybersecurity expert, employing advanced techniques to defend against sophisticated attacks and safeguard sensitive data. This role combines technical expertise with strategic thinking, offering a rewarding career path. What steps can you take to build a career in this vital field? Interdisciplinary roles are also gaining prominence as AI intersects with other fields. For instance, AI ethics specialists are becoming increasingly important as organizations navigate the ethical implications of AI. Picture yourself working to ensure that AI systems are developed and used responsibly, addressing issues like bias and fairness. This role requires a unique blend of technical knowledge and ethical insight, offering a meaningful and impactful career path. How can you prepare for a role that bridges technology and ethics? Reskilling and upskilling are essential for adapting to the changing job market. Online platforms, universities, and vocational schools offer a wealth of resources for learning about AI, machine learning, and data science. Imagine transforming your career by gaining expertise in these cutting-edge fields. The potential is vast and the resources are readily available. How will you invest in your future and stay ahead of the curve? Let's explore the fascinating concept of human-AI collaboration. Instead of viewing AI as a competitor, consider it as a powerful partner. In creative industries, AI tools are assisting artists and designers in exploring new techniques and generating innovative ideas. Imagine using AI to enhance your creative work, blending human intuition with machine precision to produce extraordinary results. This collaboration can lead to groundbreaking innovations and redefine the boundaries of creativity. In healthcare, AI is augmenting rather than replacing human capabilities. AI systems analyze data and provide insights that assist doctors in diagnosing and treating patients. Imagine a healthcare environment where AI handles routine tasks, allowing doctors to focus on complex cases and provide personalized care. This partnership improves patient outcomes and enhances the effectiveness of medical professionals. How does this shift in roles change the nature of healthcare work? The potential for human-AI collaboration extends beyond specific industries. In research and development, AI can analyze large data sets and simulate scenarios, accelerating the pace of discovery. Picture yourself working alongside AI to tackle complex problems and drive innovation. This partnership amplifies human abilities and opens up new possibilities for breakthroughs. How can you leverage AI to enhance your work and contribute to significant advancements? Now, let's analyze which sectors are most likely to be impacted by AI and which may remain relatively unaffected. Technology and IT. Impact, high reason. The tech sector is at the forefront of AI development. AI is crucial for software development, cybersecurity, and data management. AI specialists, data scientists, and machine learning engineers are in high demand. Analysis. As AI continues to evolve, its influence on technology and IT will only grow, creating new roles and opportunities. Healthcare impact. High reason AI enhances diagnostic accuracy, personalized treatment, and operational efficiency. AI-powered tools assist healthcare professionals in providing better patient care. Analysis. AI's role in healthcare is expanding rapidly, leading to new career paths in medical data analysis, AI-driven diagnostics, and healthcare IT. Finance. Impact. High reason AI algorithms optimize trading strategies, detect fraud, and analyze market trends. Financial institutions rely on AI for decision-making and risk management. Analysis. AI's impact on finance is profound, with a growing need for AI specialists, financial analysts, and fraud detection experts. Manufacturing impact, high reason, AI-driven automation improves production efficiency, quality control, and supply chain management. Robots and AI systems handle repetitive tasks and optimize operations. Analysis. AI transforms manufacturing processes, leading to new roles in AI system maintenance, robotics, and production optimization. Retail impact. Moderate reason, AI enhances customer experience through personalized recommendations, inventory management, and automated checkouts. However, the impact on job roles varies. Analysis. While AI improves efficiency in retail, it also creates new roles in AI-driven marketing, customer insights, and inventory management. Education impact. Moderate reason, AI supports personalized learning, administrative tasks, and educational content creation. However, the core teaching role remains largely human-driven. Analysis. AI augments educational processes, leading to new opportunities in educational technology and content development. Sectors less likely to be impacted. Creative arts. Impact, low reason. While AI can assist in creative processes, the unique human touch in art, music and writing remains irreplaceable. Creativity and emotional expression are deeply personal and nuanced. Analysis. AI may aid artists, but the core of creative expression and artistry will likely remain a human domain. Social services. Impact, low reason. Jobs in social services require empathy, personal interaction, and complex decision-making that AI cannot fully replicate. Roles like social workers and counselors rely on human connection. Analysis. AI may assist in administrative tasks, but the essence of social services requires a human touch and emotional understanding. Skilled trades. Impact, low reason. Skilled trades, such as plumbing, electrical work, and carpentry, involve hands-on tasks that are challenging for AI and robotics to master. These roles require manual dexterity and problem-solving in diverse environments. Now, let's get even more specific. How does AI affect different levels of jobs? We can break down the job market into 3 tiers: entry-level, mid-level, and high-level positions. The impact of AI varies significantly across these levels. Entry-level jobs. Impact, high examples: customer service agents, data entry clerks, and retail cashiers. Reason: many routine, repetitive tasks are easily automated by AI. For example, chatbots are increasingly replacing human customer service representatives for handling basic queries. Automated systems are also managing inventory, scheduling, and simple clerical work. Analysis. While automation threatens many entry-level positions, it also means that workers need to quickly pivot toward jobs requiring critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence, skills that AI finds challenging to replicate. Mid-level jobs. Impact, moderate to high examples: marketing analysts, financial planners, and project managers. Reason: AI is taking on more analytical and data-heavy roles that previously fell into the mid-level tier. For instance, AI algorithms are making decisions based on big data, optimizing supply chains, and even planning marketing campaigns. Analysis. While AI is taking over some of these roles, humans still hold an edge in tasks that require strategy, leadership, and emotional intelligence. Mid-level workers can adapt by enhancing their skills in AI system management, strategic oversight, and client relations, turning AI into a powerful tool rather than a competitor. High-level jobs. Impact, low to moderate examples: CEOs, senior executives, and creative directors. Reason: high-level jobs involve decision-making, creativity, leadership, and complex problem-solving. While AI can provide insights and assist with data analysis, it cannot replace the intuition, empathy, and experience required to lead organizations. Analysis. For high-level professionals, AI is more of a strategic ally than a replacement. It allows leaders to make data-informed decisions, freeing up time for innovation and creative thinking. This trend suggests that workers at the top can use AI to enhance their leadership capabilities, not replace them. So what can you do to stay ahead of the curve as AI continues to reshape industries? First and foremost, continuous learning is the key to future-proofing your career. The job market is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and those who adapt quickly will thrive. Imagine you're someone in your current field, whether it's marketing, finance, or healthcare, and you take the initiative to upskill in AI. You won't just be surviving in your industry, you'll be leading the charge. Let's discuss a few ways to prepare yourself for the AI-driven job market. Learn AI and data science basics. Reason: even if you're not planning to become an AI engineer, understanding how AI works will be a huge asset. Courses on AI, machine learning, and data science are widely available, with many free online resources from platforms like Coursera, EDX, and even YouTube. Analysis. By gaining basic knowledge, you'll be able to collaborate better with AI-driven systems and contribute to your company's technological transformation. Enhance your emotional intelligence, EI. Reason: AI struggles with human empathy and emotional intelligence. Jobs that require leadership, teamwork, and emotional engagement will remain safe for now. Developing these soft skills can give you an advantage in roles that require human connection. Analysis. As AI takes over more analytical tasks, jobs that depend on interpersonal relationships, such as team management, teaching, and counseling, will continue to rely on human expertise. Creative and critical thinking. Reason: AI can follow data-driven logic, but it lacks creativity and the ability to innovate without direction. Problem-solving, brainstorming, and conceptualizing new ideas are areas where humans excel. Analysis. If your job involves innovation or developing new ideas, AI will likely be a tool that supports your creativity rather than replaces it. Stay ahead by honing your ability to think outside the box. Be tech-savvy. Reason. As AI becomes more embedded in everyday work environments, understanding the digital tools you use and leveraging them efficiently will be vital. Analysis. Whether it's AI-enhanced project management software or automated marketing platforms, being comfortable with digital tools ensures you stay relevant in your field. Collaborate with AI, don't compete. Reason. The future is about collaboration between human workers and AI, not competition. Learning how to integrate AI into your daily tasks and enhance your productivity will help you stand out. Analysis. Imagine being a project manager who uses AI to predict timelines and project success rates more effectively. You don't need to know every detail of how the AI works, but using it wisely gives you a massive competitive edge. It's easy to view AI as a force that will either make or break your career. However, the reality is far more balanced. Let's explore why this is the case. The glass half full view. AI is not just about job destruction, it's also about job creation. Many industries that are being transformed by AI are simultaneously generating new roles that never existed before. Consider the rise of AI ethics specialists, machine learning trainers, and AI auditors. These roles require human insight, creativity, and oversight. AI can also improve the quality of work by taking over monotonous tasks, allowing people to focus on creative, strategic, and meaningful work. Imagine an accountant who spends less time crunching numbers and more time advising clients on financial strategies because AI handles the number crunching. The glass half empty view. On the flip side, we can't ignore the reality that millions of jobs, especially in repetitive manual labor, are at risk of being automated away. Workers in sectors like manufacturing, transportation, and retail may find themselves needing to upskill or retrain to remain competitive. There's also the issue of wage polarization. Jobs that require AI-related skills are likely to be higher paying, while those displaced by AI may lead to a wider income gap. Understanding both perspectives is crucial to navigating the job market of the future. As we've explored throughout this video, AI is neither inherently good nor bad. It's simply a tool, and how we use it will shape our future. It holds the potential to drive incredible innovation, create new job opportunities, and even improve the quality of work. However, it also poses significant challenges that we must prepare for. To conclude, AI's impact on the job market is profound but manageable. While certain sectors may experience displacement, others will thrive in this AI-driven world. The key is to be adaptable, invest in continuous learning, and embrace human-centric skills that machines can't easily replicate. What are your thoughts on AI and the job market? How do you think AI will affect your industry? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe to Next Wave AI. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future deep dives into AI trends and their impact on your career and the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and stay ahead of the wave with Next Wave AI.